20% more productivity. That's the potential in the new Speedmaster XL106 Peak Performance generation. Hi, my name is Marcus. Please come with me. I will show you how we improved it in all dimensions. The award-winning design, whilst retaining the Speedmaster origin, gives the press a completely new appearance. It is modern, digital and clean, an attractive workplace for the operator. Competitiveness, the availability of skilled workforce, sustainability and digitalization are the major challenges for print shops today. The fully refined Heidelberg flagship lines offers a magnitude of features to cope with these challenges. The Uptime XL concept automates maintenance tasks and increases availability. The Hycolor XL inking and dampening unit, in combination with the AI assistant, reduces make-ready waste by up to 25%. In the push-to-stop coding unit, it is now possible to do a complete changeover without any operator intervention. This reduces make-ready by up to 30%. And also the new dryer generation reduces energy consumption by 30%. The Heidelberg user experience intelligently navigates the operator while processes run in parallel. Are you ready to unfold your potential?